Okay, Alex, can you tell me about your bug that you designed there?
Well,
what's it called?
It's called a fresh bug, and it kills stink bugs because we don't really not a lot of people like stink bugs, so I invented this bug for my project at school.
And how does it kill stink bugs? What's it do?
It has like laser eyes, and it sometimes kills the stink bugs and makes them into fresh air.
What about its back end?
It can sting it, and it can sometimes eat. It sometimes eats them, and makes them, and it goes through its stinger and makes it into fresh air.
That's cool. Let's see his face now.
Mia, I want to get you.
Oh, he's very cool. I like him. Does he do anything else?
He flies with spike wings, and then if he
I got the ball.
And then sometimes he sorry, that one.
I know your sisters are distracting you.
And sometimes his sometimes it can have its spike wings, and sometimes it can like pop stink bugs and make them into fresh air too.
Does it do anything to bees?
It kills bees and makes them honey.
Does it melt them? Like I think you told me that it melts them with their heat vision.
It melts them with their heat vision and makes them into honey.
Cool.
I forgot to tell you that.
Oh, hey, what about, where does it go on vacation?
Oh, into space.
And look at it, it's all shiny. You can tell it goes into space because it's very sort of space-oriented looking. It looks like a bug from Star Trek, I think. That's very cool, Alex.
And it sometimes, if it wants to, like, it can get beetles, because sometimes it swoops down and eats those fighting beetles. Sometimes.
Oh yeah.
And eat ants too.
How does it feel about people?
It likes people, and it doesn't bite them. It has a long tongue, so it sometimes licks them like a dog, like that. Give me a hand.
I don't know how to do that.
Lick.
Show him the fresh bug.
Hey, Austin, how do you like this?
He's like, I don't care. I just want my little birdie.
Oh, why do you want your birdie?
And in conclusion, is there anything else you'd like to say?
And sometimes it can go through the dark, and it has really green glowing eyes. You see that green stuff there?
Yeah.
That makes it glow.
Way
See,
cool.
it sort of glows.
That's pretty cool.
Now it's time for seahorse.
That's pretty cool.
Oh. Kylie, why is it time for a seahorse? Look at this. Kylie, do a video of your seahorse.
Well, wait a minute. Hold on a second. Okay, let's end this video first. Would you like to say goodbye to all your anti-stink bug fans?
Goodbye.
Yay!